Alright, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel and I am going to try to do some kind, not even some kind, I'm going to try to do flexi rise, no, perm rise in my hair, not flexi rise. I don't know where that came from. But yeah, I'm going to try to do perm rise in my hair today. I attempted this one time when I first did my big chop, like my very first big chop. So before I shaved my hair, like when I just cut off like all my heat damaged ends, I attempted it and I thought it was the ugliest shit ever. Everybody was like all encouraging or whatever, but it was ugly. I don't care. That shit was a mess. So yeah, so I just deep conditioned, washed and all that stuff. So it's damp, but it's not like soaking wet. And I didn't want it to be soaking wet for this because I know it takes forever for these to dry. But now I have like a hooded dryer and stuff, so yeah. We just gonna see how this turn out. So I'm just gonna use these three right here. Well, these three right here and see how it works. Hopefully, I pray these work out good because I'm gonna be pissed if it don't. So yeah, I'm going to use my buttercream that I talked about. I got like tiny bit left of it and probably my L'Oreal Instant Recharge. That's my leave-in, and then just use the Lotta Body foaming mousse, and then when I run out of that, I'm going to use this one from Cream of Nature. So same shit, I think. So yeah, we just about to get started. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm just starting off detangling my hair with this paddle brush, and I'm just trying to get it nice and detangled and separated. And this is the size sections I'm going to do for my hair. If you can see right here, I did all of them the same. So once I add the mousse and the I added the cream to the whole section, and then once I add the mousse, I'm just working it through, and then I'm going to twist the root just so I can stretch my hair. So once I twist the root, then I'm going to add the perm rod. Okay, so this is where I fucked up at. I twisted it way too far down. My ends were really bushy. I don't think I added enough mousse. It's a lot of things that I did wrong here, and this is where I fucked up. I also rolled the perm rod underneath instead of rolling it away from my face, which impacted how my curls looked, in addition to everything else. And my hair wasn't even wet enough. So basically, y'all about to just watch me go through and fail the shit out of this perm rod set. And I hope you enjoy. So yeah, thanks. I don't know. This don't like my ends is like poofing up. So I don't really know how they gonna look. I hope it come out right. I really hope they come out right, but I don't have no hope for it. I'm gonna try to be positive though. I'm gonna try to stay positive. finished my hair and, well, not finished my hair. I'm finished putting the rollers in. I don't know how many I used, honestly, and I don't know. But yeah, so this is what I ended up doing. I ended up putting a few of the blue ones towards the front on the sides where my hair was shorter, and then I focused the bigger gray ones towards the front, because that's where the front middle, because that's where my hair is mostly long, and then the sides and the back I just did the pink because I ran out of the pink early. So yeah, some of my hair I already know my ends is gonna be a little frizzy because I don't know if I need my ends clipped again or what the case is, but they're really bushy. They would not get flat or smooth. I added more mousse. I try my best to roll and take my time. So I did get most of them flat, but I do see some straggly parts. But like I said in my last wash and go, I have been seeing straggly parts. So I don't know if I'm just getting, I just need to constantly clip my ends or something. But the last time I clipped my ends was maybe 2 months ago. So I don't think it's time, but I don't know. My hair don't feel bad and it definitely curls great, but I don't know what's going on. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to sit in the blow dryer and probably let this dry overnight to make sure for sure that it's dry, because I don't have time. I want to make sure for sure it's dry. It's about 11 o'clock at night right now, so I'll probably come back, like I said, after the next day to see, you know, make sure it's super dry and all that good stuff. So yeah. Okay, so it's the next day. It's been about 13, maybe 14 hours since I did my hair, and I didn't use that much water, so it feels dry. I hope it's dry, and it doesn't look as frizzy as I thought it would be. My scarf probably helped that a little bit, but yeah. So I'm about to just take it out, and hopefully I've finally gotten this right, because if I didn't, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I'm gonna use my Beyond Zone set heat taming, turn up the heat spray. This is also like a weightless oil, like I said in my other video. I'm just gonna spray it on my hands and take out. It is frizzy. Yeah, it is a little frizzy, but whatever. At the back, I did most of these curled under, but then I watched Nate 2 Curly's video just to give myself some type of reference and see if I was doing this right. And I realized that on each side of her head, when she does her perm rods, she does them going away from her face, so she does the curls going back, so she rolls up instead of under. So this don't look like it's gonna be too good. I think I'm just gonna have to embrace the frizz, because it's gonna be frizzy. What the fuck is this? Like, So all of them, got one right here. About to say all of them untwisted. And then the ones in the front got a nerve to still be wet. Like, what? Like, what are you doing? Anyway, so this is, I don't know, but I'm just gonna try to pick it out and I don't know. I'm supposed to be going somewhere in like an hour, so we're just gonna try to do our best. Like, these don't even look like curls. Like, they just look like little cheese puffs, but black cheese puffs. And I don't think nobody wants to eat black cheese puffs. I wouldn't. So it is basically a stretched out afro. It's like, I could have put some water on my hair and called it a day if I knew that it would turn out like this. I'm never opposed to my afro, but when I'm trying to do something and it don't come out right, that's when I'm opposed. So I'm going to attempt to do my edges and make my hair look like something. So I made a part over here somewhere, and I feel like if I make the part back, it's going to look crazy. So I basically wasted my whole night doing this, cause this looking like, girl, maybe perm rash just ain't for me.